Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is starting in the kitchen because of course I closed. I'm telling you guys that today I would like to make our Agonyin sauce and then carry you guys along. I've been making it. In fact, I sold it at some point. So welcome back to my channel. Miss AKF here. Thank you for tuning in. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. You are the reason. In fact, you're one of my motivating factors, if I do say so myself. Okay, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Kehinde Jojiwachiko, and I film about lifestyle, faith, motherhood, and every of my experience living in Nigeria. You know, whatever it is I get up to, and I feel like it's something that I could share that will help one or two people, I go ahead to share. So don't make it your last time. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video before you exit it. Don't forget to share your comments and opinion based on what is happening in this video. I always look forward to feedbacks. Okay, thank you for tuning in. So let's just jump right into today's video without wasting much of your time. I'm going to see you after the process. See. So I added my oil into this. It's not supposed to bleach into this, and it's already a bit hot. I have my diced onions already. I'm just going to add to this. I'm going to add salt. Then I'm going to add my onions. Okay. So in this bowl, I've got attache and basically for this thing you can actually use anything, but this is what I'm going to use for mine. I've already cleaned. Just going to add it to my blender, and then I have my bread blended and bread to match when it's time. This is for the beans. I'm just going to add salt. Allow it to cook a bit, and then this now. Okay, so so for the beans, this is what I have. Depending on how much you want to match, but the thing is, you see, when it's time to serve, it gets dry. So I try as much as possible not to um, make it too dry already. Okay, you can use any beans of your choice. So this is what it looks like for me. An important part of this process is stirring. You cannot have missed it. You have to continue to you have to stir and stir, and that's why I'm using the turning stick so that it doesn't get burnt. I've just missed it so much. I knew that it's time. I want to have it, honestly. At this point, I don't think I want to keep cover it anymore. Over here, same thing. And we're going everywhere. Can you see? If you go back, you can tell what the color was and what it is now. You can add Maggi, but to be honest, the truth about adding Maggi to this thing is, once it gets dark, you practically don't feel all these things. So that's why you see all this. You see the pomo, you can see the onions. You get, but these other things, I didn't get my onions burnt because I want to see my onions alive and healthy and eatable. You get. I'm not going to close anymore at this point because we're already approaching getting desired results. So I'm going to leave it to continue cooking. Let me add my cube. Just paying attention to the under pot. No burning here. Cook a little stir. At this point, you can't go far from this cooking because you're about to get your results. There's a thin line between this thing burning and you getting the actual results. So you have to be very good. I think when I went to um when I went to start from here, see where we are. Oh. I think at this point I wanna turn off. I have done what I'm supposed to do. And let it sit for a bit and then I'll start serving. Okay, thank you for watching. So guys, I don't know if there's a better time to end this. I don't want to bore you with my eating. I want to say thank you if you watched to this point of my Vlogmas episode 2. I'm so happy that I'm doing Vlogmas. I hope that you try out this recipe this season. I don't know, having a twist to your beans is something I think will worth it this season. Okay, I'll see you in my next Vlogmas. Bye guys. See you. My husband went for a party and came back with this for me. Make I come chop fish. Hey! Fish! Oh!